Hello friends, I'm your host Nikunj, and if you want to learn affiliate marketing from scratch, then subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notification for get every new updates instantly. So as you seen in thumbnail, in this video we are going to discuss about a buyer persona, customer buyer persona. So before creating a customer buying journey, you need to define your customer buyer persona first, because this is the foundation of affiliate marketing or any of the business. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a buyer persona and which things you need to consider while creating a buyer persona. So buyer persona is a process of identifying your ideal customer, or also we can say that a frictional representation of your ideal customer. So what kind of challenges your customer has and how to market them your product or service. And also buyer persona defines which kind of content you need to create for your audience. So let's jump into a mind map. We will understand 6 things which I have filtered out for creating a buyer persona. So let's jump into a mind map. So here is the mind map. So as I have told you, there are 6 parameters. First is demographics, second is interest, third one is behavior, fourth one is role in purchase process, fifth one objections, and sixth one challenges and pain points. So we will go through each of the parameters and their subtopics. Okay, so first we will start with a demographics. So what kind of sub parameters are there? Okay, so demographics is nothing but a background of your ideal customer. Okay, so in which location you want to promote your product or service. So first of all you need to define your ideal customer's location. Okay, then you need to define age group. So your product is for the for which of the age group of your customer. Okay, second one is gender. If your product is related to some specific gender, like only for males or only for females, or can be only for babies. Okay, according to that you need to first of all define. Second one, language. So language is also very important. You need to define whom you are targeting, like which of the language your ideal customer is familiar with. Okay, next one is education. So which kind of education your customer should be. Okay, next one, income bracket. So if your product is expensive or cheap, then you need to identify like which kind of income group can afford your product or service. According to that you need to define your demographics. Okay, so this is also important thing. Then parents, if you are promoting a baby product or something like that, then you need to define this sub parameter. Okay, parents. Then work, this is also very important. Your ideal customer is in which type of work group, like they are doing a job, or they are self-employed, or they are a business owner which running their own business, etc. Okay, next one is relationship. So relationship is nothing but they are single or married. Okay, so in this all sub parameter will not be applicable to your product or service. Okay, you need to specify like which parameters are applicable and which are not. According to that you can define your buyer persona. So this whole mind map I will give you in description. You can download a PDF file. Okay, for free. So next parameter is interest. So which kind of interest your ideal customer is. So business and industry, like which business and industry your ideal customer are interested in. Okay, so next one is entertainment, like which TV shows or movies and something like whichever the entertainment channels and platforms are there, so which kind of platform they are watching. Okay. Next one is family and relationship, fitness and wellness. So if you are promoting a product like in health and fitness niche, then you need to define interest, like which is the interested in health and fitness, then that only ideal customer you need to target. Next one is food and drinks. Okay, so if you have a brand like food and drinks brand, then you can define this. Next one, hobbies and activities. Next one, shopping and fashion. If your ideal customer is interested in shopping and fashion, then you can define this parameter. Next one is sports. So which kind of sports your ideal customer is interested in. Technology, like which kind of technology your ideal customer is interested in. Okay. Next one is behavior. Okay, so in short we can say that interest is nothing but their likes and dislikes. Okay, you need to identify your ideal customers likes and dislikes, like what your ideal customer is liking and disliking. Okay, you need to identify your customers routine, like how they are living, and your product and service is how can your customers life effect. Okay, so third one is behavior. So anniversary, like your product or service is related to like their anniversary gifts and prizes, then you can classify them. Okay, next one is consumer classification. So in consumer classification I have written like prefer high value product or service, and second one is preferred mid value product or service. So in society there are two types of customers are. Okay, one is high value product or service which can afford, and second one is mid value product or service. Okay, so you need to identify like your product is who can afford your product or service. Okay, next one is digital activity, like your customer is interested in gaming, social media page admins. If you want to target those people who are only social media page admins, so you can target them. Okay, so you can define these all parameters and sub parameters and plot them in Excel sheet, so you can understand more clearly like how can you define your buyer personas. Okay, next one is based on device they use and how much time they use. Okay, so like mobile, laptop, tablets, okay, smartphone, etc., and how much time they are using those devices. Travel, like how many people are traveling, and they are much likely to travel in different locations. Politics, now this is also if it is applicable then you can apply it. Okay, now these last three parameters are very important parameter. Fourth one is a role in purchase process. So this is very important, like who is decision maker. Let's say take it one example. Okay, like your product is about a baby, so you cannot market your product to directly babies. Okay, you need to promote your product to their parents. So here babies and end user is baby, like whichever the product you are which you are promoting is consuming babies, but their buyer is not a baby, their buyer is their parents. So here decision maker is parents, so you need to identify like this is only an example. In different scenario there are different decision makers should be can be. Okay, so you need to identify, like in your case, in your product and service, whichever the customer will buy, so there who is their decision makers, like when you target your product to if you have a product like age to 22, 21, 22, like teenager. Okay, so they are mostly they are not earning much money, so you need to target their parents, because they are the decision maker of their kids. Okay, so like this. Objections. Now this is also very important. How can you define your products or services? Objections. So you can take a survey from your existing customer if you have. Okay, so what are the objections have and what can be. Second one is defined by taking survey from your company employee, like if you provide them your product or service, then which things, which reasons they can give you to not buy your products. Okay, this is also a very simple technique. If you have a big company, then your employee can define these objections, and uh, you can arrange a brainstorming session for defining objections. Okay, define third one is define on your own. So how can you define on your own? So directly go to the sales process. So interact with your real ideal customer, and learn from your experience, like who is your ideal customer is giving you real-time objections. So according to that, you can place them in your buyer persona. Okay, sixth thing. Now sixth one is the challenges and pain points. So what are the challenges and pain points? So this is the foundation also. Okay, when you create a product or service, then first the creation is start from the challenges and pain points, like what your customer has problem, so you need to give a solution of that problem. So in buyer persona, you need to define, like what are the challenges and pain points your customer have. According to that, you need to represent your product or service and market them. Okay, so this was the 6 points which you need to consider while creating your buyer persona. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notification to get every new updates instantly. Okay, and that's all for this video. Thank you. I will meet you soon in my next video. Thank you.